Welcome to Rainy Day Foods freeze-dried pineapple. Our freeze-dried pineapple pieces are great to have in your food storage. This is a versatile fruit that can be used with vegetables, meats, and other fruits. You can make great pineapple salsa or add it to oatmeal or cookie recipes. Today we'll be showing you how to use and reconstitute freeze-dried pineapple. The first method we will be showing is the cold water method. You will take cold water and cover the pineapple. You'll let it sit anywhere from 15 minutes to 30 minutes. With cold water, it'll probably take the longer amount of time to fully get moisture to the middle of the pineapple. With the hot water method, you are going to use boiling water. Virtually, it's the same process. You're going to boil water and then cover the pineapple and let it sit 15 to 30 minutes. With the hot water, it takes less time. So it's likely not going to have to sit as long. There's always the chance that with the hot water, it might cook the pineapple just a tiny bit. So here on the left, we have the cold water method, and then on the right is the hot water method. And here I'm just going to give you an idea of the texture that you get after it's been reconstituted. That's the cold water. And here is one of the hot water. With the pineapple, the hot water method works really well, getting it very similar to how it was before it was freeze-dried. So really try it out, see which one you like the best. Both work. In my opinion, I probably like the hot water method for this product. Here I'm kind of showing texture and how crunchy it is when it is freeze-dried. Another option is to grind the fruit down into a powder. You could put this on different items, put it in drinks or desserts. You can really just use your imagination with this product. We do have dices and tidbits available at different times, so you just kind of have to check availability on our website. We want to thank you for your time in considering Rainy Day Foods today. Check out this product and many others at www.rainydayfoods.com. For more videos and content, like and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you.